Hola, 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 hola! Woohoo! Yeah, this is clapping. Yeah, hola, hola, hola. I'm waiting for some viewers. Yeah, I'll dance in the meantime. Hey. So anyway, well, some viewers, I'm sure you guys are coming soon. So anyways, I wanted to talk to you about hair in a jar. So yeah, this is hair in a jar. In a nutshell, in a jar, whatever. Okay, let me see. There it is. Kerazon with Beauty List Oil. You see it? That's hair in a jar. Why? Because this thing here is amazing. It makes it helps the hair grow once it's healthy. I mean, who doesn't want healthy hair? Xiomara, ¿cómo estás? Estoy hablando de un cabello en un pote, en un candunguito, como decimos en Puerto Rico. Y esta queratina, mira, como especialmente tú que te das tinte, te haces tinte, trabajas mucho, no tienes mucho tiempo, tiene aceite buriti. Y el aceite buriti es extracto de la fruta de una palma que está mayormente en Brasil. De ahí se nos han robado todo ese buriti. En vez de dejárnoslos a nosotros a Kerazon, pues mira, se lo ponen por ahí también. Pero ese aceite es buenísimo. Michelle, yay! I'm happy you guys are here with me. Oh, this is so special. So I'm talking about the hair in a jar, Michelle. This is very, very, very good because Kerazon Professional, the hair mask, it actually repairs the hair, promotes growth, deep conditions, hydrates, helps eliminate even dandruff, the split ends, you name it. I'm looking kind of funny because I'm trying to get the camera. Beauty oil is an oil extracted from palm trees, like the fake one I have back here. You like my little palm tree? Look. Hey, that's so cute. I mean, just to pretend, make it look pretty. So this oil, it is almost proven to help with growth. And you guys know that's why I call myself hair care artist, because I do like styling and everything. We like looking pretty, but I think I want my hair to be healthy. So, a mí me gusta peinar y todo, vernos bonitas, pero me encanta que el cabello esté saludable. Por eso es que yo digo hair care, tú sabes, la artista del cuidado del pelo. No sé si están de acuerdo. Do you agree with me? I'd rather have pretty hair of my own, and make it grow. And I like my curls today. They're popping. What do you guys think? It's nice. So, Kerazon Professional, I have the hair mask in stock. Call me or inbox me for information. It has beauty oil, among other oils. I can do it here at the shop too, but you can do it at home. And you don't need that much product. It's highly concentrated. It's amazing. If you have any questions about this hair in a jar, call me. Micaela, not Michelle. Micaela, right? Is that how you pronounce it? Xiomara, yo espero verte pronto porque vas a necesitar un tratamientito. Yo sé que tú trabajas mucho, but it's always good. So, guys, pretty soon today, around 6-ish, 5-ish or 6-ish, we're going to have a talk show, hair talk. Have your questions ready. Write them down. Send them to us. We're going to be live again. I'm going to be again as speaker. She invited me once again. And that's amazing. That's so exciting. So, any questions, any suggestions, any ideas, any hair appointments? Yes, Xiomara, yay! Woohoo! So, yes, Xiomara, you need to come. You need to come. Okay? Get your hair in a jar. You can do it at home. I know you have very long hair, but you don't use that much. Or you can come. I can do it for you. This is approximately, I want to say, it's actually 8 ounces, but you don't need much, guys. I mean, this good products, good quality products, you don't need like abundance of product. You're wasting it. Just a little bit, quarter size maybe or so. Start at the ends and run them back up. The ends are colder. The ends open up more. So you want to apply this product on the ends and run it back up. Okay. So I'm excited. I'm so excited. I have this wonderful product here. I've been looking for years for something to rely on So hopefully it goes well. So far, like I said, so far so good. Kerazon Profesional. Kerazon Professional. You can look on the website, kerazonprofessional.com. You can ask me questions. It doesn't matter. I'm the educator for the line. I'm the educator for the line. I'm so excited. I'm the technician. Sounds better, right? So yes, I'm here. Call me, inbox me, text me, Tasha, you need this keratin treatment, girl. You know you do. The hair will improve tremendously. Tasha, thank you for joining. This is the mask. This is the mask. I know you are a little bit impatient with your hair, Tasha, but it's going to be okay. You have lots of it. It's a blessing. So all you got to do is just take care of it. You do look pretty beautiful lately. So congratulations on that. So yeah, go ahead and book your appointments for the smoothing treatment. This Kerazon Professional, let me tell you guys, it's a... Tasha said your hair is too much. Well, I mean, come on, take it, girl. It's a blessing. How many people want the amount of hair you have? Like, I don't even close my shop because of you, you know? I'm just kidding. But anyways, you do have beautiful hair, though. It's very beautiful. You should be glad you have it. And with the keratin treatment, I was talking before, this smoothing treatment is vegan. In other words, the protein comes from vegetables. Or vegetable oils. It has wheat, it has beardy oil, it has tamarind, and it comes directly from Brazil. Who can tell me Brazilian oils are not good? Straight from Brasilia. This beardy oil was actually originated in Brasilia, which is the capital of Brazil, and then they started replanting the palm trees everywhere else. So, hello, I get it from the horse's mouth. Can't get better than that. So, the smoothing treatment itself, I promise you, I have it. My daughter has it. Many of you that I've done it on, everybody's happy. Shiny hair, less frizz, is just beautiful. Now, like with everything, and like I said in videos before, you need your maintenance. Otherwise, you're gonna see when you keep up with your maintenance, you're gonna feel a difference. Of course, like everything else. So please take care of it. Once you get your Kerazon Professional keratin smoothing treatment, which is vegan, make sure you get your mask. You can come here, have it done, or you can order it from me. You can get it right here from the salon. You can do it at home. I'll teach you how to do it. It's not a big deal. And go on with your life, but then have beautiful, healthy hair. Any questions, guys? Any questions? ¿Alguna pregunta de Kerazon Profesional? Es increíble. Yo estaba mirándole el pelo a mi hija anoche y se ve tan suavecito. De hecho, it lasts like 3 months. And there's a bug here. Get away. So it lasts like 3 months. And the hair looks just shiny and beautiful. And my daughter now has color. Yeah, I went ahead and applied some color on her, bleached her hair and everything. It's healthy because we do the mask every week. Once a week for me and my daughter because of all the color that we apply on our hair. Boom. It's beautiful. I don't regret it. So it's been 9 minutes. I have 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Send me questions. In the meantime, Kerazon Professional, so far is a very, very good smoothing treatment made in Brazil, shipped over here to the States. It's amazing. It's short. There are 2 methods of applications. I can teach you about it, professionals. If you're a stylist, why don't you get certified? Get certified. It's amazing. You won't regret it. Continued education means money, knowledge, power, money. Not always money, but power, knowledge is important. So not only that, for consumers, for clients, Keratin Hair Mask. Keratin Hair Mask. I will teach you on this too. I will give you a little education. We'll talk about each oil, the benefits of it. And Tasha, people with big hair like us, I mean, I cut mine off, but people with big hair like us, I don't regret it. This is a wash and go. Literally, like I wet my hair, shampooed it, conditioned, mask it, and here I am. My curls are popping. That's the beauty of being natural. So time is up, but thank you guys for joining. Thank you for watching. And Kerazon Professional Hair Mask is waiting here for you. Have a great rainy day.